We're finally hitting triple digits. Summer is actually like a day or 2 days from today. This is officially her first packed lunch, and it's thanks to Modesto City School for providing us with this lunch. Here's Chialia, Jacobs were here, Nathan and Aiden and uncle's over there. They just finished their lunch. Now we're gonna walk back home. There's a cat in the middle of the sidewalk. Excuse me. Thank you. So how was lunch?
Good.
It was good? Baby. Baby, na yummy yummy? Yeah? They just came home, but they're each having a bottle again because I think it's so hot.
But not me.
Yeah, but not the big boy, just the babies.
Oh, yeah.